Winter Storm 25 bears down on our region, it's essential to understand the far-reaching impacts it will have on daily life. The storm's heavy snowfall, high winds, and freezing temperatures will make traveling extremely hazardous, with roads becoming increasingly slippery and treacherous. Commuters can expect significant delays, and some areas may even be completely cut off due to impassable routes. Furthermore, the weight of accumulated snow will put a strain on infrastructure, potentially leading to power outages and property damage. The high winds will also increase the risk of downed trees and power lines, making it crucial for residents to stay informed about weather updates and emergency instructions. As the storm intensifies, it's vital that we take necessary precautions to ensure our safety and well-being.